Hello, let's make this video interesting for you all. This video is about life cycle of sunflowers. In a story form you'll be able to learn how sunflowers are grown. Once little Daisy was excited. Today their classroom was the school garden. This meant her class could be visiting the sunflowers they had planted weeks ago. In the garden they saw little sprouts that pushed against the rich soil. They saw bees and butterflies fluttering from one flower to the next. Everyone was excited to look at the colorful flowers and bees. Plants, like animals and human beings, start small, said Mrs. Olivia, their biology teacher.
The butterflies you see started out eggs that hatched into fuzzy caterpillars. You and I were once zygotes that grew in our mother's womb.
How about plants?
Instead of eggs they can start out as? Asked Ms. Olivia.
Seeds, said the whole class. That's right, they can also start out as spores. They can be planted directly into the soil or transported by nature's helpers like the wind or the insects.
After being planted they will begin to sprout. What is this process?
Germination,
said Daisy.
Exactly, because the temperature and the soil conditions were perfect for growth, our sunflower seeds were able to germinate. As they grow, plants take minerals from the soil and make their own food from sun and water, and the process is known as photosynthesis. And they grew, buds formed and started to open. Mrs. May pointed to the blooms that will last for about 20 days. They observed as insects come and go to soon pollinate other sunflowers. What happens after that, said Daisy. The teacher replied that plants' petal will later shrink and wilt, and soon all petals will be gone. Daisy and her class fellows imagine these flowers so full of colors and life will be gone and will turn brown. Yes, it said Mrs. Olivia, but think of how their seeds will be released back into the earth. That will be start of new sunflowers, and this process will repeat. So this is the whole process and is known as plant's life cycle. Daisy smiled and thought how wondrous nature can be. And with this the video comes to an end. Hope you like